All right, so today is Thanksgiving Day. The market's closed. I bought the LYFT option on Tuesday, and all of my technicals were coming in for the positive side. So here we got the RSI headed up, almost up into the overbought, but not worried about it. It's pointing up. We have the 1, 2, 3. Here's a 1, 2, 3. Really, you should go off that one, I guess. 3, and then it broke the high last week. That was probably the time to get in, but what's been keeping me out until just as of lately is the ADX with the DMIs or the DIs. I want the green on top, red on the bottom, as far as a turnaround to go up. And if you notice, you got red on top all the way across here, and it was in a downtrend. ADX was headed up. That means it's in a strong trend. That's exactly what was happening. So now it's turned around to go up, and it looks like the ADX is pointing up the black line. Everything's looking in line. So I went ahead and got in, and let's see, I got in around or at 208 on a January contract. So I'm down a little bit right now. I'm not really worried about it. Like I said, everything's pointed up. So I will just kind of ride it and see what happens. I have a plan to sell it at above $5. So should be doubling my money at least in there, a little more. So we'll see. And I may get out early. Just I'm going to play it. I'm looking for it to go up into the 60 range because, well, I can't pull up my, for some reason, the other platform that I use is not loading today, but it gives me where the price action is or where the most price volume was. Now here's the VWAP at the 55, which is great. I mean, it should at least go up and hit the 55. But at the 60, there was a lot of price volume, and I think it's probably going to go up in there because there was a lot of buying and selling going on at the 60 level. So that should put me over the $5 region because the delta on this right now is 37 cents. So as it gets closer in the money, it'll go up to 49, 60, around that. So every dollar it goes up, it'll go up that much higher. So well, I should say every $2, every $2.50. So that's where I stand right now. We'll see what happens. Okay, I do want to bring up another point. I was long the Qs, the 3 Qs the other day, right in here when it broke that high, and I got out too soon. It just wasn't moving fast enough for me, which I got to get out of this day trading mode, which I've been in for a long time. And that mindset, I need to hang on to things a little longer and let them work its magic. So I missed out on about $50 because everything was looking good. The DI was just strong on the bull side. This MACD turned around or came down and then turned right back around when it started going up. We're going up into the overbought region on the RSI, but it is still bullish until these things turn around and and they cross over. This thing, I don't know how far it'll go up. It may turn around right here. I don't know, but the SAR, everything is looking bullish right now. And as I said, I got out too soon. I was in this. Oh, here's the VWAP down here. Everything's looking, like I said, bullish. And let's see, I was in the 212 at 98 cents, and it's $1.50 right now. So yeah, it was $50 I missed out on just by not having the discipline. So we all do it. And that's it for now.